In today's video, we are going to show you how to start copy trading in Exness. Copy trading allows you to automatically copy the trades of experienced traders. Instead of placing trades yourself, you can invest in strategy and have the trader's positions copied to your account automatically. Let's begin. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover on the profile section and then scroll down until you find the copy trading. Now, there are two options here. You have the for investors, so you can discover strategies and track investments, and for professional traders, wherein you can create and manage your own strategies. Whatever you pick up, it's up to you. For example, you choose the second option. If you click on it, what will happen is you'll be forwarded to a new page. If the copy trading is not available in your region or area, don't worry, it's okay. Now, all I have to do is go to the Exness official website, log in using your credentials, and then on the top left corner, you will see a three horizontal menu. I want you to click on it and then scroll down until you find the copy trading. Here, all I have to do is you want to make sure to start copying a strategy. Once you've found a strategy that you like, open the strategy page. And then here you can explore, like clicking the create investment. You can enter your investment amount, review the minimum investment requirement, and confirm your investment. After confirmation, Exness will automatically copy the trader's future positions into your investment account using its copy trading system. You don't need to manually place trades. Remember, before investing real money, start with an amount you're comfortable risking and diversify across multiple strategies if possible, because many experienced copy traders prefer strategies with a longer and more consistent track record rather than extremely high short-term profits. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you start copy trading in Exness. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.